Alaska in the summer? Yep, it is going to be warmer than you think. If you're going on an Alaskan cruise from mid-June to August, you're going to want to pack a little differently than you would for the beginning and ending of the Alaskan season. So you still want to pack in layers. My biggest tip though is to bring an umbrella because it is going to be rainy season in Alaska. So you will want to have a good umbrella and a lightweight rain jacket. So this is my favorite. It's just nice, lightweight, and it's will help during those downpours. You also want to make sure that your shoe that you're bringing is water resistant for when you're out on excursions. So a good walking shoe that is water resistant will come in handy. When I pack for Alaska in the summer, I definitely pack in layers. So my favorite is just going to be this long sleeve thermal. It's a lightweight thermal shirt. That's one that I can push the sleeves up if needed, but it's a good base one. You still want to bring a lot of jeans for Alaska. In the warmer temps, definitely I bring at least one pair of shorts with me, but most of the time it's going to be a jeans type trip. And then as part of my layering, a good fleece jacket is great to have with you. So a fleece jacket or a hoodie, both of those are great for using as part of your layering when you're going. I like to bring a scarf. So just something that you'll be amazed, just a little bit of a scarf will really help if there is a windy chill or anything on while you're there. For the men, just a good zip up pullover is another great one to layer with. So again, pack in layers. So when you think of Alaska in the summertime, it is going to also be when it's the daylight for the longest time of the day. So you will still want to bring a good pair of sunglasses as well as sunscreen, which sounds crazy for Alaska, but trust me, the sun will still give you a sunburn. So bring sunscreen and some good bug repellent. So there are a lot of mosquitoes during that time, so just a little bit of a bug spray that you can throw on your throw in your book bag is great. Always pack a thermos, a good refillable water jug. You'll want that. I use mine throughout the whole ship, but definitely on excursion days, I bring mine. It doesn't hurt because there will be a few times, Mother Nature's unpredictable, that you will want to bring maybe lightweight gloves. Nothing super thick, but just a lightweight glove to keep with you, as well as maybe even a hat. So you can bring one little hat. Majority of the cases, you can get by with the ball cap. But those are just in case it does happen to dip down. You never know with Mother Nature. So again, this is during the summer months. If your cruise is during that first part of the season into the end, that September, October timeframe, the temperatures are gonna definitely dip down. So you'll wanna pack a little more heavier for that. So please refer to this video here that I did for those colder months packing. You won't regret it. So just remember, summertime in Alaska, it's still all about the layers. You just don't need the real heavy stuff. So you can leave the big puffy coats at home and just be prepared for sunshine and some downpours. So hope that helps. Please subscribe to my brand new channel and have a good day. Bye.